What is going on to the AMC stock family? In today's video, we are going to be talking about Investors Business Daily and what they have to say about AMC stock. Is it a buy and hold? What happened to a 455% increase? What does that increase even mean? And will next week be crazy? No one is talking about a lot of this, so here we are. The reason why a lot of people are not talking about this is simply because Investors Business Daily is an amazing company, but I don't think a lot of people really know what it is. And so here's what they had to say about AMC stock. Is it a buy or sell right now? And so AMC stock, right now we are at $32.70. That was the closing price. And also we have the chart right here. This is going to be the 10-day simple moving average, I believe. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk about the ranking for AMC stock. Now, what's actually pretty interesting is that AMC is ranked number 8 in the group. And this is actually pretty amazing for AMC, considering that it is being competed against Roku. And so with Roku, Roku is ranked number 1 in the group. And again, AMC to Roku, this is no comparison whatsoever. And AMC is actually pretty lucky to be compared to a stock like Roku, which is about $400 a share right now. It may have dropped to around $300. Regardless, you guys get the point. Roku is above $100 a share, and AMC stock is trading less than $50 a share. And so with AMC stock, it was actually ranked number 9 just a few days ago. And so considering that IBD decided to raise the AMC ranking even higher just by one rank, that right there is pretty amazing. And so the IBD ratings for AMC, this is going to make a lot more sense later on because this IBD article is going to be talking about the ratings to understand should you buy or should you sell AMC stock right now. And so right now they give it a rating of 19, and this is in a red, which I believe means a sell. However, the article that I'm going to be talking about in just a few seconds, it actually points to otherwise, right? It's not actually necessarily bearish, and it's not saying that AMC stock should be a complete sell. So do not worry, and you guys already know where my opinion stands on AMC stock. This is always a buy and hold for me. I'm just letting you guys know about another person's outlooks on this stock because the more opinions, the better. Honestly, guys, with more opinions, you guys will be able to form your own opinions, and you guys will also understand where they are coming from, so that again, you guys can make the best decisions. So don't worry, AMC stock family, I already got you guys covered. And so with that being said, there really is no other ratings, and this is actually again quite interesting because back then there used to be a lot of ratings for AMC stock. I'm not sure why there are question marks over here now. What this is actually making me think is that AMC stock has gotten so much momentum behind this movement that investors are very confused about how to give the stock an accurate rating, because on one point the share price just decides to increase over time, and now it may seem like it's decreasing, but you guys still got to understand this stock is up way over 100% on the year. And so with that being said, there are still a lot of question marks, and AMC is one of the most popular theaters in the world. And so with that being said, not a lot of investors know how to accurately and fundamentally calculate a lot of these ratings for AMC, and I think that's why they have a lot of question marks to begin with. So is AMC stock a sell now? Here's what fundamentals, stock chart action, mutual fund ownership metrics say. So again, IBD is introducing the mutual fund ownership, and this will give us more information about the position for AMC stock right now. And yes, we are going to be talking about what is going on with that 455% increase, and this is actually extremely bullish news. So let's go ahead now and read the first paragraph. It says that going to the movies is exciting, but can it match the action by AMC Entertainment, or in other words, ticker symbol AMC? Starting the year at $2 a share, this is what I'm talking about. It has risen over 100% since then, way over 100% actually. And so AMC stock rocketed more than 36-fold exactly right here to an all-time high of $72.62 on June 2nd, and this was not too long ago. And even though an epic short squeeze rally went into overdrive in January of this year, AMC stock still attracts short sellers. Guys, don't get me wrong, there are still a lot of people selling this stock. And if you guys are confused about why AMC is decreasing in share price over these past few days, don't worry, you're not alone. But here, IBD is even indicating that AMC stock still has a lot of short sellers. What does that mean? This stock is going to need more buyers rather than sellers in order for this stock to continuously increase in share price, because right now we do unfortunately have some blockages. And so with that being said, the data from brokerage Trades America for the week ended July 23rd shows AMC Entertainment placed third among stocks trading at least $10 a share and getting sold a lot. A total of roughly 14,000 trades across TradeZero's platform have an average price of $38.18 per share. This is absolutely insane, and I did not know this until right now. What this means is that a lot of people that are selling AMC stock, and remember, these are not people that decided to buy AMC and just decide to cash out at $38.18 per share by selling it. Not at all. These are people who decided to initiate their position of AMC by selling AMC, and they're the ones that have an insane influence on the AMC share price just because they're considered short sellers. I did not know that there were that many short sellers that had an average cost of $38.18 per share. These people, they were not shorting it at $72 a share, but they're actually right above the share price right now. And this makes a lot of sense for why the AMC share price is having some difficulty breaking above the $40 range. And so without question, the shares of AMC stock have cooled off, even though movie lovers are going back to cinemas. After all, the meme stock finished the second quarter up an astounding 455%. Second quarter, guys, this is what we were talking about. 455% for AMC stock for the second quarter. Which other stock will do that? I'm not really sure. Maybe other than GameStop. And I don't know the numbers for GameStop, so I don't know if GameStop is in the hundreds, 200s, 300s, 400% range. Bullish traders are certainly trying to make a stand. On Thursday, shares jumped 12% in accelerating trade. That snapped a 5-day slide ahead of its upcoming second quarter results scheduled for August 9th after the market closed. However, AMC stock is still going down, falling 11.6% for the week on Friday. And so on July 20th, the movie house chain scored 24% in accelerating volume. A strong bounce off of the 50-day line, or the 10-week moving average on the weekly chart, would make AMC stock a buy now entry point. But right now, that doesn't seem to be in the cards for right now. So again, this is their opinion, and the only reason why I'm talking about it is because they are pointing to a technical analysis line, and this line is the 50-day line. They're saying that if AMC stock decides to go back above the 50-day line, that would indicate a buy now signal. However, right now we do not have that buy now signal. So if you are a new AMC investor, this is just one opinion, and so you guys can now decide for your own opinion what you guys want to do. My opinion is that this is a buy and hold. We were talking about buying this stock at $3 a share, and we were talking about buying this stock at $5 a share. And we were also talking about dollar cost averaging even higher. That is considered averaging up, because this stock had way too many opportunities, and we were right about the opportunities because the next level we dollar cost averaged into was the $50 range, and then from there it went all the way to $72 a share. We also dollar cost average at $38 a share, and we also dollar cost average at around $32 per share. And so now we're going to be talking about what AMC stock is doing right now. So given that AMC has now fallen as much as 59% below its $72.62 all-time high, AMC does not trade at an IBD style entry point. For those who want to go long on this stock, you can watch to see if a new bullish chart pattern will form. For a while, the action began to form a rare flag. No longer. We were talking about this flag a lot. This was considered a bullish flag. However, AMC stock decided to break that bullish flag, and that bullish flag actually broke at around $50 a share. And we were talking about that. However, we were also talking about the concept of dollar cost averaging, and at that point, we were talking about how it was your choice. Do you guys want a dollar cost average lower? Because once it broke that flag, it was going to go lower. And so with this pattern breaking, we were prepared for the AMC price fall. And so a future attempt to rebound back above the 10-week moving average, currently near $45 a share, might spark a new follow-on buy opportunity. So the people that work for IBD, they're amazing investors. They have a lot of accurate points. And so another point that they are mentioning is if AMC stock is going to be considered a buyback entry, that entry will probably be having the opportunity at around $45 a share. That might be a new opportunity to get long on this stock. In other words, you are going to be betting that this stock is going to go up much higher in the future, above $45 a share. So for the fearless investors, AMC is not yet a buy. That could change if the shares continue to rally above that $45 share price and with a lot of volume. Yet for now, 8 weeks since the peak, it is more likely that AMC is building a new base. Again, even though this investor says that right now AMC stock is not necessarily a buy, which I disagree on, and that is completely fine because everyone can have their own opinions. I'm part of the AMC stock movement right now, and this investor may not be. However, he still acknowledges that AMC stock is building a new base. This right here is perfect because AMC stock, in my opinion, is also building a new base, so we both agree on this. And with this new base being formed, AMC stock will be able to go higher if this base continues to have consolidation. If we decide to have another base broken, then obviously there is going to be no consolidation and the base is going to be broken. And so the reason why next week will be crazy is because AMC is building a new base right now with the AMC earnings next week, and if they do announce very bullish earnings, this stock will probably decide to go up in share price, and with that base already being formed, AMC stock will not likely retest this base but instead go much higher. And so that is why next week may be a very crazy week for AMC stock, because it will probably have an insane movement above this new base that AMC stock is forming. So with that being said, AMC stock family, thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.